Hello family, today we are looking at a brand new community that's available here in the greater Charlotte area. Do not miss out on these phase 1 pricing. Stick around. Hello family, Sir Ashley here, and on this channel we talk about money, personal finance, real estate, and all things Charlotte. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in any one of those things. Now, my client just went under contract in this community and they've only sold about 15 homes so far. 15 homes. And the community is going to be about 220, 225 homes when it's all said and done. So now is the time to lock in those introductory first phase prices. The community started off with the lowest base price around $290,000. And now 15 homes later, the base price is now around $313,000. And it's only going to continue to increase the more homes they sell. Weddington Point is the name of the community, and it's in Monroe, North Carolina. The community is 36 minutes or so from uptown Charlotte, but it's only 5 to 7 minutes away from Target, CVS, Harris Teeter. There's also a Publix being built nearby. Also, Sun Valley Commons is one of the retail malls in the area, and it's within 10 minutes, and that strip mall has just about everything. Fine dining, fast foods, restaurants, you name it, it has it, even a movie theater. We don't know if that's going to stick around though. In this community, you still have everything at your fingertips, even though you're in Monroe, North Carolina. I can't forget to mention the tax rate for this community. The property tax rate is 0.75%. You are in Union County, you will have a Monroe address, but you are not annexed into the city of Monroe, so you do not have to pay Monroe city taxes. Now, tons of people call, text, and email us wanting to know what are the good opportunities and want to get into a great community during phase 1. Well, this is it. Call us, text us, email us if you're interested in this community because you're truly getting in on phase 1. I'm sorry, I buried the lead on this one. This community is eligible for 100% financing with a USDA loan. Yes, that means 100% financing, no down payment, or if you do pay an earnest money deposit, you will be refunded that at closing. Now, according to the builder's reps, there is still a small window in which you can get into this community and still have the maximum household income under USDA. So reach out to us if you're interested in this community, and we can advise you and represent you throughout the process of buying a home. Now, I'm not trying to be rude, but if you text us, please let us know who you are. Because people send us long paragraphs telling us about what they want, but they don't say hi or they don't introduce themselves. We want to get to know you. We want to be able to understand what you want and what you need, but we also want to know who we're talking to so we can form a relationship. So we look forward to hearing from you and receiving your text. Now let's get back to the community. The school zone for this Weddington Point community are right here on the screen. Please check them out, do your own research regarding their rankings, but I will say that Union County is known for having very good public schools. And the high school that this community is zoned for is called the Sun Valley High School in Monroe, and it has an aviation academy. Yes, you heard me correctly. The high school has an aviation academy and airplane simulators where kids can learn how to fly. The students that take part in this aviation academy are exposed to every aspect of aviation, from the flight simulators to aerospace engineering. I believe this is one of the only public schools in the area that offers such a program. But if I'm wrong, please let me know in the comment section and share what other public or private school in the area that offers a similar program to this. Now, in this community, there will be a clubhouse, a pool, as well as an amenity center. And if you're not familiar with the quality of Century communities, be sure to check out this video right here. I'll also put a link to that video in the description below. I believe you will be highly impressed with the quality and finishes of Century Communities' work. Now, I'm about to give you a tour of their model home for this community, but I'm telling you to check out that other video because this is a brand new community and they haven't even had their grand opening yet. And the model home hasn't been staged. So while we're going to go through it, you're going to be looking at an empty model home, but it is the Elm Floor Plan. It's a ranch floor plan with 3 bedrooms, a flex room, and it's over 2,000 square feet. Let's go ahead and check out this floor plan. Let's go inside this Elm Floor Plan. It is a 3 bedroom with a flex room and 2 baths. Now, remember, I told you that this is a brand new community, so they don't even have power in the model home yet because they haven't even had a grand opening. So there will be some dark areas. I apologize in advance. Presently, the base price for this floor plan is $313, but by the time they release more lots, this floor plan will be more than $313. Now there's a couple opportunities left. There's actually one similar home to this floor plan. It does not have the flex room for under $330. Give me a call. It's sooner the better when you get into this community or any community because you can take advantage of the introductory prices. We are heading into the laundry room. Sorry, it is dark. Again, there's no power in this model home just yet.